the U.S. Embassy in China is evacuating American citizens from Wuhan, the center of the coronavirus outbreak. More than 1,500 cases are now reported in the country. At least 54 people have died. Now, in the U.S., there are 2 confirmed cases of the virus, one in Washington state and another in Chicago. 63 patients have been tested in 22 states. That includes here in Colorado. Centura Health's St. Anthony Hospital in Lakewood released a statement saying, in part, we are investigating a possible case of novel coronavirus in an individual with a history of travel from Wuhan. Results of this test from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention will not be available for several days. Centura says they are taking all proper precautions by the CDC, including having the patient wear a mask. Connor McHugh talked to a Colorado man with a family in Wuhan, and Connor, he wants to deliver masks to help stop the spread of the virus.
Yeah, Jake Tillman's goal is to send 10,000 masks like these to China, but not to the people on the streets, to the hospitals where the doctors are treating these patients every single day. He says so far he's donated about $2,000 of his own money, and now he set up a GoFundMe page to raise the additional $8,000 to make this shipment possible. While visiting family in Colorado, Jake Tillman's heart and mind remain in Wuhan, China. It's where he's lived and worked for 7 years, in the place he and his family call home.
My life has been great there. I mean, this is the first time I'm back in Colorado in 3 years.
Currently, Wuhan is the epicenter of the coronavirus, which has sickened more than 1,000 people and killed several dozen. With new travel restrictions in place, it could be some time before Tillman gets to go home.
I don't think people want to tell me that they're panicking or anything like that, but there's definitely a lot of anxiety for everybody there.
That had Tillman looking through social media for ways to help.
They have a list here of supplies that they want.
So now he's raising money to buy and ship face masks to Chinese hospitals facing reported shortages of medical supplies.
I think we can all empathize with the terror that I would feel and how that would affect my job as a doctor trying to check these patients.
Tillman says $10,000 will buy 10,000 face masks, and he hopes Coloradans will have it in their hearts to help.
One of the things that's always struck me is just how similar we are as people. We have a lot of the same concerns. We want to be happy. We don't want tragedies like this to befall us as well. So I think that's a common piece of humanity we can all center around.
Now, Tillman says his family is okay and currently staying outside of the city where it is much safer. If you feel like you want to donate any money to his GoFundMe page, we will have a link to it on our website under the links and info page. We're live tonight in Denver. Connor McHugh covering Colorado First.